Hi, my name is Becky. I'm going to be showing you how to protect your student admission records. We start off in this class list. Like all screens in Wekware, it is what we call a Wekware Live document. Let's first make full use of the available screen real estate by zooming this document to fill the screen with. Next, we can see some instructions in red. These are filters that have to be filled in before the class list is displayed. Let's fill those in. All right, the class list is now displayed. We protect records in two ways. We use what's called a record lock to lock each individual record and prevent its modification or deletion. We use what's called a range lock to lock a group or a session or a department to prevent addition of more students to a particular group, session, or department. Data capture is normally done by two people. The first person does the initial data capture, then a supervisor comes to check and lock the records. For checking, there are these icons shown on the left. Each one is an icon of a book, which indicates that the supervisor should read the material and check that it's correct. If the student's admission record is correct, the supervisor then clicks on this to indicate it's been checked. And they click, it changes to a tick, which says it's been checked. Click again, click again. So all these have now been checked. You can also do it at once by right-clicking one of them, choose select, right-click again, say select all, then right-click and say edit. In this case, they all go to unchecked. Then we can go back and say edit again. They go back to checked. So you can do this in one operation. Once the supervisor has indicated that all these are checked by changing these books to ticks, we can come to the right-hand side here where you see these locks. Each of these is a record lock. It locks that one record is in the same line with. So you can come here, you can click here, locked, locked, locked. We could do this in one operation as well as we did with these guys. Once we've done this, we can't change this record. If I pick the student and say delete, it will refuse and tell me it's locked. Next, we can do what's called a range lock to lock the group or department to prevent addition of more students. So normally this is done at the lowest level, like at group level here. So if you lock here, you won't be able to add students to this class in this particular session, department, and so on. If you lock higher, let's say you lock here at session level, it locks everything below. So you won't be able to add students to any department, any course in this particular session. So under normal circumstances, you would lock at the lowest level, like here. Now, we've locked this. Let's change class and you see what happens. Let's go to second year. You can see this is now unlocked and these have not been checked. Let's pick a student here, right-click, copy row. Then let's go back to our first years. And you can see the range lock is now locked. These are locked. These have been checked. I can now try to paste a row here. I get range access denied. So I can't add students. I can't delete students. So these records are protected.